Today we're doing something a little different. This is the first episode of our new mini-series called Investing Made Simple. Anywhere and at any time, you can listen to these short clips for your bi-weekly dose of investing info. And I promise, we make it easy for you to understand. So welcome to Investing Made Simple. I'm your host, and today we'll embark on a journey to understand the fundamentals of investing, the stock market, shareholders, dividends, and more. So grab a cup of coffee or tea if that's more your thing, sit back, and let's dive right in. Before we delve into the specifics, let's start with the basics. Investing really isn't that complicated. It's just all those fancy corporate guys making it look intimidating. My job here is to make this topic accessible for anyone, not just some big hotshot. Investing is the act of allocating money or resources to an asset or venture with the expectation of generating income or profit over time. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree that bears fruit of financial success. You're investing in the tree's growth, and over time, you'll get the success of fruits from the tree. One popular avenue for investing is the stock market, which acts as a platform where shares of companies are bought and sold. Imagine it as a giant marketplace with bustling traders and investors looking to buy a slice of ownership in a company. Now, when you buy a share of a company, you become a shareholder, or in other words, a part-time owner of that company. As a shareholder, you have the right to participate in the company's success and growth. One of the main reasons people invest in stocks is the potential for capital appreciation. As the company's value grows, so does the value of your shares. Additionally, companies may distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. So, dividends are basically periodic payments made by a company to its shareholders. Think of them as your share of the profits. So, let's go back to our tree analogy. Think of the tree as a company and its branches as different stalks. Like a tree producing fruits, a successful company generates profits. These profits, represented by dividends, are the fruits shared with the shareholders. The size and quality of the fruit reflects the dividend yield and payout ratio. Just as trees need time to grow and bear fruits, companies require time to mature and offer consistent dividends. So dividends are like the fruits of the company's success, varying based on its financial health and growth stage. Dividends can provide a regular stream of income, particularly for long-term investors. However, it's important to note that not all companies pay dividends, as some prefer to reinvest their profits back into business for further growth. As you can see, a company must be very successful for it to give back dividends. When investing in stocks, it's crucial to consider the concept of risk and reward. Stocks can be volatile, and their prices can fluctuate based on various factors like economic conditions, company performance, or even market sentiment. Understanding your risk tolerance is key to developing a well-rounded investment strategy. To navigate the stock market, many investors rely on research and analysis. Fundamental analysis involves studying a company's financials, industry trends, and management team to assess its intrinsic value. As you can see, this field offers so many jobs to statisticians, data analysts, computer scientists, and economists. So it's important to remember that investing is a long-term game. While short-term fluctuations are inevitable, the stock market has historically shown an upward trend over time. So patience in a well-diversified portfolio are essential for weathering the market volatility. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time for you to embark on your own investment journey. Remember to do your due diligence, consult with financial professionals if needed, and most importantly, stay informed. That's it for today's episode of Investing Made Simple. We hope this crash course has shed some light on investing, stocks, dividends, and more. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes, please feel free to email us at sustainablecentspodcast@gmail.com and reach out to us on Instagram at sustainablecentspodcast. And until next time, happy investing!